So our next problem is similar, but still a little bit different. 5 4/10 divided by 10. How does this problem compare to 54 divided by 10? Well, it's got the same digits, but a different value. So we have our 5 and our 4 divided by 10, but there's not the same number. So let's solve with some discs. Okay, I start with my decimal. Boom. And then I know that on this side of the decimal we've got tenths and hundredths over here. Uh-oh, I'm lurking into the next box. And then ones. And right next to ones we have tens. So let's see, how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I've got 5 ones. How many tenths do I have? Oh, looks like I've got 4 because it's 5 4/10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if we're dividing by 10, everything shifts over. So now everything's over to that side of the decimal. So I have 5 tenths and 4 hundredths. Now remember, 10 is the only number that when we divide, everything shifts over one place value. If we were dividing by 3 or 8 or 17, that wouldn't work. It only works for dividing by 10. All right, same problem. Well, almost. Same digits, different value. So let's see, I'm going to draw my place value chart. Here's my decimal. Let's see, so I need tenths, I need hundredths, and then I'm also going to need thousandths. I'm just going to draw an arrow because I'm out of space again. Teeny tiny thousandths go right there. So let's see, we're going to start with 5 tenths. 2, 3, 4, 5, because see we have a 5 in the tenths place, and 4 hundredths. And since we're dividing, we're shifting to smaller, so everything's going over. So now I have 5 over here and 4 here, which means that since I had 5 in the tenths place, but they shifted to hundredths, that means I have a 0 in the tenths place. So there we go. So let's check on this place value down here. So problem 1 is already shown, 54. So let's see, let's do problem 2 is 5 4/10 and 4/10, and that would shift over. And then the last one we have is 5 tenths and 4 hundredths, or 54 hundredths. And we shifted that to become 54 thousandths.